Ooh.
A little bit.
Yeah.
A little pressure, not too much.
Yo, this is your WWE Hall of Famer Rikishi. If you got back pain, if you got neck pain, if you got knee pain, even if you got booty pain, make sure you come out and check out Dr. G.
Kind of work that out.
Ooh.
Tell me if it's too much.
No, that's
the neck's gonna go good.
You about ready to get a stink face in a minute here. Oh yeah. Tell me what you're doing, Doc.
I'm just working over the belly of the muscle, man, just trying to get it loose. I already see it sitting lower than this one. But if I get those traps loose, the neck adjustment's gonna go so easy, man.
It just feels like my vertebrae needs to be
like opened
pulled,
up.
Yeah. I rode over here on the plane and I was had my neck, just fell asleep like this. And
oh man.
Damn.
That's it. Yeah, that's a 40-pound roller, man. Here, lean back this way.
We about ready to have a hardcore match.
I'm gonna put a little pressure, okay? It's gonna be a little pop. Ready?
Ooh, ho, 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 ho. That was good.
That was good, man.
Yeah.
A little bit there, just a little bit. Okay.
A little bit. All right. Good night.
The roller again, man.
Oh.
Tell me if it's too much. Should be good, man.
That's good.
Oh man. Who's somebody that you never got to have a match with that you wish you could have had one with?
Oh, I'd have to say Randy Orton.
Oh yeah, man.
I'm a fan of the Viper.
Oh yeah.
Yep. And I'd probably say Bray Wyatt.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh man. What is that?
Other side.
Feels like a lot of lumps back there, Doc.
Yeah, man.
Oh shit.
We're just rolling it out, man.
Oh.
That's his family, probably, Jay.
Jimmy and Jay.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're the biggest family
He's a wrestling family,
in professional wrestling today. 75 plus years. The Samoan dynasty, the bloodline. I don't know, ask some old lady in Mobile, Alabama. I gave Big Boss Man the clothesline, and that's the time I was wearing, I'm the only guy wearing a thong in professional wrestling. And soon as Boss Man took a fall in the corner, I hear a voice, Rikishi, turn around and stick your butt in his face. Till this day, I don't know who said that. But if you're watching this video, old lady, I owe you residuals over 20 years. Yeah.
I'm putting a little pressure, just a little bit.
Yeah.
Good. Just flip over on your back.
Now listen, Doc. So you can tell. Look on this side here.
I feel it.
You see, mine's just different from yours. I got back.
Yeah.
Okay. So a lot of my hurt is right here in the middle part. Right. So when I lay down, I don't sleep on my back. I sleep a lot on my side.
Okay.
But when I do lay on my back, it's like I got to put my feet up, because when I lay this way,
your spine out.
when I lay this way, it just it just hurts back here.
Yeah, that curve is just jamming everything together, and then when you bend your legs up, it opens it up. That's what you're doing.
Take what your mama gave you.
Right?
I mean, I didn't ask for the booty; it came with it. All right, here we go.
All right, here we go.
See what I mean?
So we'll cross over right there.
Oh.
A little pressure, not too much. Just kind of roll over the spine. Oh, there we go. Okay.
You got Mark Henry like this?
Yeah, man.
Gee, I'd like to see that.
He's lost a lot of weight since.
Yeah, I see that. Boom.
Let's turn the other way.
All right, Doc.
There you go. Just let that leg just kind of hang. There you go. Kind of twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it. Oh, good. Lay on your back, face up. And then just drop that leg, drop that leg. Oh, man. Oh, cool. Come on up, come on up. Oh, man. Whew, man.
Man,
Tell the camera how you feel, man.
like Iron Sheik says, camera, zoom around. So listen here. I actually had a long day this morning. Flew all the way from California to Dallas, Texas for WrestleMania. And when I got the call, the doc here wanted to see me. And I found out it was a chiropractor place. I don't let too many people touch me, right? But today, I'm leaving here like a new man. So make sure you got all the prescriptions. Leave your comments below. Follow the doc. Why? Because Big Keith said so. Back that thing up.